Hi, my name's Dean. This is my Honda Integra DC5. I've owned it for around 6 months now. You can't buy these cars in the UK, literally just have to be imported in. 9.5 grand. Perfect. $20 if that. The way it looks. Nothing. Just less than £1,000. Engine wise, there's Integra induction kit, RBC inlet manifold, spoon throttle body, Toda manifold, a Moose titanium exhaust system. Exterior, Mugen front end, Mugen bonnet, Mugen side skirts, Mugen wing, Mugen F1 style diffuser on the back with the F1 style brake, and then the wheels are Ray's SE37s. I've had 160 out of it. No. Maybe an S15 if you can get one cheap enough.